Hello guys, welcome to another episode of MySQL. Today we'll be looking at where clause. In MySQL, the where clause is used to filter the results of the select statement or the update statement or the delete statement. So we can use the where clause in the select, update or the delete statement based on a specified condition. So the where clause comes with a condition. So the where clause can be used with various operators such as the equal to, the less than, the greater than, the less than or equal to, the greater than or equal to, the not equal to, which is the two signs of less than and greater than. This can be said to be not equal to. It can also be used with logical operators like operator, the in, the and, the or, the not, not in, between, not between, to construct complex conditions. So the equal to, less than, these are arithmetic operators. So we can use it, can be used together with the where clause. So let's look at an example or in various ways where we can use the where clause in MySQL. So I'm going to open a table. I'm going to open the student table. So this is my student profile table. So I can decide, in this table we have the student ID, the first name, the last name, the assessment score, the project score, the state, gender, department, status, and date of birth. I can decide to see students that have more than 40 score in their project. So we can use where clause to write. So the syntax for where clause goes like this: select all from student profile, where we give the name of the colon, project score. Project score is the name of this column, of the colon. So you also give the condition, because we said that where clause comes with the condition. Where project score is greater than 40, you end your query. So this brings us or gives us the students, all the students. You can see student ID 2. When you look at the project score, we can see 41, 62, 43, and then 59. So these are students that made above 40. So this is the arithmetic operator here. So you can decide to play around with it, say less than. When I say less than, I can decide to run to get students that has less than 40 in their project score, and this will give me those. I can decide to say equal to, where students score, those that scored 40 in their project score, and this will give me only 2 students. So based on this condition, those that have 40 in their project score, based on this condition, you can see we can use where clause to filter out these results from other results in this student profile table. We can also decide to use the greater than or equal to sign, or equal to sign. and get those that have, so in this case 40, those that score 40 will be included. We can also decide to go for less than or equal to 40, and then we can see those. So the where clause comes, the syntax for the where clause is the select statements. In this case, select all, which is asterisk. You can decide to say, I want to see just the first name, last underscore name, and project score. So when I see this, when I run this, I'm going to see the first name, last name, and the project score colon only. So this brings out the colon. I can also decide to say where state is equal to, in this case, because Oyo is a string, it has to be in quotes. So where state is equal to Oyo, I want to see those. So I just have only 2 students that are from Oyo State. So this condition now is based on states and not on score. So this is how you use your where clause, where give the name of the colon and then give the condition, and you run your query, and then you see your results. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next episode.